Hi travelers, welcome back. Today we're diving into how to use public transport in Florence, Italy. Whether you're here for a quick visit or an extended stay, knowing how to navigate the city's public transport system can save you time and make your trip more enjoyable. Let's get started. Florence's public transport is primarily operated by TAF, and it includes buses and a tram line. Buses are the most common way to get around, with routes covering the entire city. The tram, known as Tramvia, has two main lines, T1 and T2, which connect key areas like the city center, the train station, and the airport. Buses and trams run frequently, especially during peak hours, making them a convenient option for both tourists and locals. To use public transport in Florence, you'll need to buy a ticket before boarding. Tickets can be purchased at newsstands, tobacco shops, and from ticket vending machines at major stops. You can also buy tickets via the TAF app. Here's how you do it. Select the type of ticket you need, insert your payment, and your ticket will be printed out. Remember to keep your ticket safe until the end of your journey. Once you have your ticket, it's important to validate it as soon as you board the bus or tram. Look for these small validation machines near the doors. Just insert your ticket, and you'll hear a beep confirming it's validated. This step is crucial because riding with an unvalidated ticket can result in fines. Remember, inspectors do regular checks, so always validate to avoid any issues. Florence offers several types of tickets depending on your travel needs. Whether you're a local resident commuting daily or a tourist exploring the beautiful city, there's a ticket option that suits you. Understanding the different types of tickets available can help you save money and make your travel experience more convenient. A single ride ticket is valid for 90 minutes and costs around €1.50. This ticket is perfect for short trips or if you only need to make a quick journey across town. Remember to validate your ticket as soon as you board the tram or bus to avoid fines. If you plan on traveling frequently in a day, consider getting a 24-hour ticket for €5 or a 3-day pass for €12. These options are ideal for tourists who want to explore multiple attractions without the hassle of purchasing a new ticket for each ride. The 24-hour ticket allows unlimited travel for a full day, while the 3-day pass extends this convenience over 72 hours. These passes offer unlimited rides within the validity period, making it easy to hop on and off public transport as you visit different parts of the city. You can explore Florence's historic sites, museums, and scenic spots without worrying about the cost of each individual trip. For tourists, the 3-day pass is often the best value, allowing you to explore the city without worrying about buying multiple tickets. This pass provides the flexibility to visit popular landmarks such as the Uffizi Gallery, the Florence Cathedral, and the Ponte Vecchio at your own pace. With unlimited rides, you can make the most of your time in Florence, ensuring you don't miss any of the city's rich cultural and historical offerings. So, choose the ticket that best fits your travel plans and enjoy your journey through Florence. Now that you have your ticket, you're ready to explore the beautiful city of Florence using its efficient public transportation system. Let's talk about navigating the bus and tram system, which is both convenient and user-friendly. Each bus and tram route is numbered and has a specific destination, making it easy to identify where each one is headed. You'll find route maps at most stops, showing where each line goes. These maps are incredibly helpful for planning your journey and ensuring you get on the right bus or tram. You can check schedules and plan your route using the TAF app or their website. The app provides real-time updates, so you'll always know when the next bus or tram is arriving. Buses and trams generally run from 5:30 a.m. to midnight, with night buses available on some routes. This extensive schedule ensures you can travel around the city at almost any time of day or night. To catch a bus or tram, simply wait at the designated stop. These stops are clearly marked and often have seating and shelters to make your wait more comfortable. Buses usually have digital displays showing the next stops, and trams announce them as well. This makes it easy to follow your route and know exactly when to get off. Don't hesitate to ask the driver or other passengers if you're unsure where to get off. The locals are generally friendly and willing to help, ensuring you reach your destination without any trouble. During peak hours, buses and trams can get quite crowded, so it's a good idea to plan your travel accordingly. If you prefer a less crowded experience, try to travel during off-peak times. Remember to validate your ticket once you board. There are machines on both buses and trams where you can do this. Failure to validate your ticket can result in a fine if checked by an inspector. Familiarize yourself with the bus and tram network map. This will give you a good overview of the routes and help you plan your trips more efficiently. Many buses and trams also accept contactless payment cards, making it even easier to pay for your journey. Just tap your card on the reader when you board. Traveling by bus and tram in Florence not only gets you from point A to point B, but also allows you to enjoy the scenic beauty of the city. The routes often pass by historical landmarks and picturesque spots. The public transportation system in Florence is also quite accessible. Buses and trams are equipped with features to assist passengers with disabilities, ensuring everyone can travel comfortably. Whether it's summer or winter, the buses and trams in Florence are a reliable way to get around. They are equipped to handle different weather conditions, providing a comfortable ride year-round. At night, the city takes on a different charm, and the buses and trams continue to serve as a safe and efficient mode of transportation. Night buses ensure that you can still get around even after the regular services have ended. So, whether you're a tourist or a local, navigating Florence by bus and tram is a convenient, efficient, and enjoyable way to explore the city. Here are a few tips to make your public transport experience smoother and more enjoyable while exploring the beautiful city of Florence. Always carry small change or a credit card for buying tickets. Ticket machines are available at most stops, but they might not always accept large bills. Having the right change or a card will save you time and hassle. Avoid rush hours if you can, as buses and trams can get quite crowded. Rush hours typically occur in the early morning and late afternoon when locals are commuting to and from work. If your schedule allows, try to travel during off-peak times for a more comfortable ride. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in busy areas. Pickpocketing can be a concern in crowded places, so it's wise to keep your bag zipped and close to your body. Consider using a money belt or a crossbody bag for added security. If you're traveling late at night, check the night bus schedule as it's different from daytime routes. Night buses run less frequently, so plan your journey in advance to avoid long waits. You can find the night schedule online or at major bus stops. Florence's public transport system is efficient and easy to use once you know the basics. The city is well connected with buses and trams that can take you to most major attractions. Make sure to validate your ticket once you board to avoid fines. By following these tips, you'll be navigating the city like a pro in no time. Enjoy the convenience and affordability of Florence's public transport while soaking in the sights and sounds of this historic city. Before you go, let's uncover some of Florence's hidden gems that you can. The sun sets over Florence, the city transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife and entertainment. Whether you're a fan of live music, trendy bars, or cultural performances, Florence has something for everyone. Start your evening at the Piazza Santo Spirito, a popular spot among locals for its bustling atmosphere and variety of bars and restaurants. For a more sophisticated experience, head to the rooftop terrace of La Terrazza at Hotel Continental. Enjoy a cocktail while taking in stunning views of the city skyline. If you're into live music, don't miss Jazz Club Firenze, where you can catch some of the best jazz performances in town. For those who love to dance, Space Club offers a lively dance floor and a mix of international and local DJs. Florence's nightlife is as rich and varied as its history, promising an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, safe travels and arrive dirty.